We'll be considering a washing machine that refused to open after completing a cycle. This machine, Samsung Toploader 16 kg, refused to open after a complete cycle. All effort to get it open proved abortive. Tried recycling, using the child lock setting to unlock it, prove abortive. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can get it open on your own. If you have that technical skill, there are some of them that are easy to open, but there are some of them that are not as easy as you may think. So the first thing is we'll lose the screws, or the screws behind the washing machine. We'll lose them. Then having lost them, you make sure that the screws are properly kept where you can have access to them, so that by the time you are done, you can reverse it and screw it back appropriately. So in this video, we have to first of all find a way of opening the cover to have access to the lock. As you can see, I was able to get the lid open. Look at the position of the screwdriver. Where I'm placing the screwdriver is that particular position is for you to bevel it to the right, after releasing the clip, so as you can get the door open, because the door is separated into two parts. Look at the positions. So you have to pull that little cover to the right, so as to be able to get this side open. Once this side is open, you can now begin to loosen the screws that holds the panel, because without the panel, without you releasing the panel, there's no way you can open the complete cover. And also checking whatsoever you want to check, if the problem is a panel failure or is a lock device failure, you need to have access to it. So you can see how I'm trying to get it open. With this, you are sure that you'll be able to open the machine. They haven't done that. The other second screw, I couldn't open it. So the next thing is for you to get the clips, removing the clips on that little top cover. Removing the clips. Once you get the clips removed, you can now have access to the lock itself. So I have to try. I tried severally to see how I can get that screw open, but the screw there's no access to it. There's no kind of short screwdriver that can go into that place. So now the next thing is let us get the lid, the short lid clips open. So you can see now. Yeah, you can see I'm trying to open removing the clips on that short piece. So removing the clip will give you access. Now you can see the clips are completely removed, and now you can see the second side of it. Look at the magnets. These are the magnets that controls the door switch. This magnet has already fallen off. So the next thing is for you to put a tiny screwdriver into the hole of the lock and pull it backward. You have to push it backward. Once you push it backward, the door lid will be completely open. Now you can see I've opened it. It's opened, and the next thing is for us to begin to think of how to work on it. So you can see now I'm checking the position of this switch. You can see I'm testing the switch to see if the switch is still active. No, that's what I'm trying to do now. So now it's on. Machine is on. Now I place the switch again to ascertain the position of the door switch. If this, trying to check if the door switch is active or if it's not. Now I put it off again. I'll put it on. I'll put it on, then try it again to see if the door switch is active. Now you can see DE is a door error. DE is a door error. Now I place the magnet again to cross check if it's working, and you can see it's still showing me 12 minutes, which means the door switch sensor is very, very active. So I haven't checked this. I haven't confirmed that the door switch is okay. Then you know that the door switch is not the problem. So possibly maybe is the lock mechanism. So for you to have access to the door mechanism, you have to open the panel. Now you see that the panel is completely open. So the next thing is for me to remove the top screw. Without this top screw, you cannot open the compartment to have access to the door lock, to the door lock mechanism. So I'm trying to loosen the screw on the left hand side. So all these things require little technicality, and you have to make sure that you are doing everything according to the manufacturer's maintenance procedure, so that you not go and cracking any part of it. Don't forget that before you begin this process, which I forgot to let you know, you have to switch off the machine from the mains and remove the plug, so that you don't have any form of electrical shock. That is very, very important, because safety is very, very important when we are working. So now look at the electronics panel has been detached. It has been removed. It has been removed completely. So now you can see I have access to the main door mechanism now. Look at it as the door mechanism that is giving us this fault, that is making the machine malfunction. So we have to check whether we need to replace the door mechanism or it requires little maintenance. So now that's the door mechanism. I am showing you how it looks like, and look at the part number. In case if the door mechanism has failed, you have to buy exactly this type of door mechanism using the part number. Don't just buy any mechanism, because it may not work. The voltage rating is very important. It's very, very important. So now look at the door mechanism. I've already opened it, and look at it. So I'm going to check and rip it down to check all the internal switches. Now I've already opened. Look at that small piece of switch is the one giving us the problem. It's already carbonized. So I'm trying to scrape it using a very tiny screwdriver. So after scraping it, I'm going to couple it back and couple all the mechanism in position. So after coupling them, then you put them together and we test the machine again to see. So this is the complete mechanism. You can see the accessories. That switch I'm showing you with the screwdriver is the switch that is given on one. There are two switches, one on the left, one on the right. So after coupling them, so I'm testing the machine now. You can see the machine is taking water and it's agitating. It's taking water and agitating. So sometimes if the mechanism, you cannot fix the mechanism, you have to just get a new one. Look at the door sensor. That's the position. That's the magnetic position. That's the magnet. Look at the door switch itself. So now it's washing. It's washing and the program is running. Now you can see it's on racing. The timing is about 12 minutes to the end of the cycle. You can see it's taking water for racing. You can see this 12 minutes remaining. So the last part of it is the spinning, which is on spinning now. You can see how it's progressing gradually from 48 minutes to 8 minutes. So now it will begin spinning any moment from now. So you can see the machine is spinning. That will tell you that the machine is working properly. So by and large, we're able to rectify the problem and the machine is working perfectly. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share. Thank you. I appreciate you. Try and comment on the comment section where you are watching from. I appreciate you. God bless you. Amen.